how to turn off screenshot or screen record on your live on Likee app. Easy and quick. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off allow other to use screenshot or screen video to your lives on Likee app. So this is make it more privacy. All you need to do is go to your Likee app and go to For You page. Once you are here, click on those three lines up there and click on Setting at the bottom. And here click on Privacy, which is the second choice, and scroll down. You're gonna find those options. At the second before the last, you have Allow screenshots or screen recording on my live content. So after closing, others cannot take screenshots or record any of your live content. Like you see, when I turn it off this option, no one now can take a screenshot or a screen recording of my live video. So this is it. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.